Anyone good?
Checking. Ethan is a nick.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, I got really confused because your name is also here. No one.
What? Hello? How did he hit me? They're really bad. What do they even have on the bed?
What the hell?
Whoa.
How? Killed this guy. You probably have him, right?
Oh, can you just drop on me instead of towering? Holy shit.
I have a fireball.
Oh, I have him now. Split.
Oh, I just took it.
What are you doing?
Just die. Die.
No, I can't ruin my kit guard.
You serious? Maybe not. You're joking, right?
I mean, I don't actually care, but it's really low.
KDR really doesn't matter.
Red's just running around a mid.
Go for it then. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I died to white. You're going red. Okay.
Yeah, I probably can't get the bet here because I want to these 4 diamonds.
Oh my god, these stairs are so annoying to place blocks.
Hi, Pixel?
Did you die?
I got a dip. These kids don't move. And I have 4 diamonds. I'm about to have 6 and I have
Killed
2
white.
M's.
I almost died to him because I had just poor aim.
Not good.
Not good.
Do
You need help with red?
No.
Well, I'm gonna go mid because outside is so far.
Yes, I know you want to fireball me.
Blue, green.
No way! I just jumped off. Like, oh my god, dude, fuck this game. I just want some fucking finals. I've been getting no finals recently. And now it's just running mid and giving you the finals. Like, Red, what are you even doing? You don't even know how to sprint.
I'll get the red.
No one wants me to get any final. Because they're both at mid. I just want some fucking
Oh.
finals, so I don't have to do everything.
Okay, just get the red then. Chillax. I didn't steal it.
I'm just annoyed because they're so annoying. Like, what are they doing?
Did you get the red?
I'm trying. I have speed.
I'm trying to give you the green final. Okay, I'm just gonna get green then.
Six M. Is this a 6M? Another 6M? No, a 4. Pineapple eyes. Okay, I'll get blue. I'm just gonna full pop bridge check with diamond armor.
Oh my god, he's at 1 HP. How did I lose that fight? Green was decent, I think.
Hey.
At least he doesn't instantly get comboed by me, which is my way of telling if someone's decent. Why? Any problem?
Interesting. Very interesting.
Well, green... Oops.
I don't even know if any blues are at base, but I got their better in a second.
Who's the one with diamond armor? Is that you?
Yeah. Hey, that somehow hit me. Blue, can you just come back to me? I miss you.
Where is blue?
One is over here. Why are they going to yellow? Like, why? Why do you just not want me to get any finals? Why are you just infinitely running away from me?
Frick you.
My fucking fans.
Okay.
No way. Like, how does that work? They're so bad that they don't even have any damage upgrades.
How did you die?
That's sharpness. Yeah, I have no fucking clue. Just get them. I just want to see them.
How many finals did you get?
3.
Okay.
Some guy in that lobby just said, I can feel my balls tingling.
Okay.
Alright, yes, 7-7-Y.
I get him.
Yeah. Anyone good?
I'm checking.
Yeah, I know.
Absolutely no one is good. Like, this is kind of crazy. So like, it's
Yeah.
basically
Just final summary.
the normal 7-star queue without the hackers. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I mean, you can just go get diamonds and rush someone else if you want, for my sake then.
So everyone has like negative FKDR.
Yeah, that's unlucky.
Yeah, you can see he's like the goat.
I
He's
just
the
felt
goat.
just get that.
Okay.
Yeah, it somehow worked. At least we're not getting side rushed. Okay, wait, Gray doesn't even seem bad. He's switching pretty fast.
Okay, they're both like super low. It's a
Yeah,
Christmas
now
tree.
Gray's just gonna steal them like
Oh, Grace taking your Christmas tree.
I'll get this guy.
I'm going for diamonds.
Yeah, I don't know what this Gray guy's doing. Where are you, Gray? Gray's just fucking hiding up here. Okay. I'm going for Gray.
Okay, I'm going for aqua side. I don't know who I'm gonna exactly go for.
I just hit goat status. That was so clean. And then they have fucking wood. Like, be so for real.
Oops.
Just make sure you're not accidentally skipping someone.
Look, chat.
Goat. Dude, every single time you bought a diamond upgrade, my gap reset. So it didn't let me. It didn't let me gap.
Imagine if that actually did something.
Yeah.
Oh, I did skip someone, but I'm coming back.
Yeah, I'll get green. You get yellow. Okay, Yike rush. No, I should go over here. I'm gonna get this gen first actually because I have a huge fucking video.
Bro.
Yeah, I'll get green. You can just sit back, relax, or chase yellow.
Or get killed by yellow. That's also a thing. No, I killed
Yeah,
him.
actually that's fine because I think green's skipping me.
I'm at base.
Yeah, I know. Bad.
Where is he exactly?
Admit.
I'm going for him. I see green. He's going to aqua and yellow side. No, never mind.
My fireball didn't register.
I killed the green version.
Fireball
I just
ghosted.
killed him with my incredible terror.
I'm just gonna keep queuing random maps.
Arcade.
It's okay.
Okay. Anyone good? Let's see.
Maybe the lining skies.
Mustros 7.3 FKDR.
Who?
Mustros.
Yeah, I can't even see who that is, but
Blue. I don't think they're good. And red might be cheating.
like, dude, this guy just gets a lucky combo. Both have stone swords for some reason.
Oh, one's at 3 HP. Just go and get him.
I'll go get the
I
last
just did
guy.
the
A lot of
most
stuff.
terrible PvP, so I just didn't place blocks and tried to just kill them. Kill them, not kill them.
Who did you say might be cheating?
Red. Red was briefly breaching while stacking up.
Just get diamonds.
I fell.
Why would you bridge from there? It's so high.
Tim Colt.
Okay, split the gen. Split the gen.
I was checking stats.
Give me the go.
Are you going mid?
I mean, Aqua already got red. I'm just gonna go red.
Alright. I'll go for aqua.
Maybe get the diamonds first.
Okay. Getting sharp. I'm going for aqua. Yeah, white first, because they have a bridge to like the little.
Oh my god, I'm so frustrated. Like, I'm just giving everyone finals for free and getting none myself. Hate this game, bro. Blue's just gonna get both here for free. Like, I hate this game, bro. I'm not even lying. That's why I only play it like 25 hours a day. I hate it so much. Tim Colt, don't die. Goat. Tim Colt, you're the goat, bro. Except for when you do that, that's not very good. But
Aqua at mid. They
might have
rush
actually been
us.
cheating. Yeah, everyone's at mid, but I'm at blue, and who's also at mid.
Yeah, it's really hard to not pass people here, like because
Yeah, but then you gotta stay
going
back.
mid is considered going. Okay, blue's chasing aqua, and I don't think they're gonna go for us.
Good one, blue. Yeah. I'll go for green. It's just one guy. Oh, never mind. It's actually not just one guy.
Guy without a diamond sword.
I'll just help them finish it so I can get more stuff. And get pots, you know.
Blue going our base. Avoiding. We have a
Okay.
trap, right?
Stuff.
He just passed.
We do now.
Okay, thank God. I don't know if he was going for us, but I just instantly avoided.
Okay, it's probably
Okay,
good.
so blue.
Okay, they're pretty bad.
Yeah, I know. Holy. Blue up red. Green, one green. At diamond gen of theirs, I think. Oh my God, I just got embarrassed by blue.
No way.
No way. He just didn't move. Like, I hit him, but it literally did nothing, in my opinion.
Where is he? Oh, he's over there.
You kidding me? You just fireball spleefed me.
My bad.
Okay, go for me, blue. Go for me.
Oh my God, he's fucking us! He's so much better than us! Never mind.
I just saw you flying away.
He just turned around. Without placing a block, he just stopped my momentum. He has that kind of aura.
Yeah.
This map is so bad. Let me see if there are any other good maps I should put in my favorites. Oh yeah, Nepuk, obviously. I guess I'll put Orbit in there as well.
Hollow. Put hollow.
Slumber obviously too. Yeah, Hollow's already in there. Okay.
Let's go. One of my OG favorite maps.
Yeah, it's very easy to skip on this map though.
Yeah. It's like really fast though.
Oh, actually, I haven't even checked the Optifine Cape update. Oh, man. I stand in the shadow. Dude,
What?
how does Google use 50% CPU from loading a website?
What? There's a mouse stroke?
What?
There's no way.
Okay, you rush.
Okay.
Checking something with my kid real quick. Actually, no, I'll rush because you can check if there's someone good.
Okay.
And then after this, I'll.
4 200 plus DK. There's a lot of so gray. Watch out for gray maybe. I didn't see anyone with high FKDR though. Oh, they have wood. I only have a pickaxe, by the way.
Just get a pickaxe. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm here.
I'm dead. What are you doing?
I'm
I
stalling.
think we're getting diagonal rushed. No, we're not.
It's really hard to block.
I have a tier 2.
Kill this guy. I'm with you.
I'm so low. What do you mean kill this guy? Get it.
Oh my god. Couldn't really do.
Take the gen fast. I accidentally took it.
Okay.
Some chests.
No one's good though.
I mean, Aqua's probably the best in the game.
Aqua? I doubt it. I have it here too. Nice. Do you get a tier 2?
No?
Push.
I have no HP, you gotta sing. Okay, I just died instantly. I don't know what that guy just went for me and
Oh
let
my
his teammate
god.
die.
He's at 5 HP.
I'll go get him.
Okay, there's a green going around mid getting all the M's, so I'm just gonna go diamonds.
Yeah, I get diamonds first and then
I'm getting armor.
I already got it.
Oh.
I don't think Aqua's good enough to like fireball jump past me.
I'm gonna be back. Anyway.
We're getting rushed and you're not seeing it.
Void, come back.
I am. I'm voting. Wall the bet and like, why are you going in the gen? Our bet's just gone.
No.
He doesn't have a pickaxe, but
No, that
did
was
have a
very
weapon.
strategic movement. Okay? So I wanted to
whatever you say, bro.
Okay, so I'm recording everything, so future future play. This was good play.
Yeah, green's just crossed my mirror, so I'm gonna do the same. Well, actually, I'm getting M's right now.
Just get M's.
Watch out for gray.
I'm watching out.
I'm going to yellow with 2 M's.
I got gray.
Okay, but stay back, cause one green might skip me.
Yeah, I'm staying back. He is skipping you.
Okay, I don't know why he's doing that. I still got him in this.
I basically killed him. So bad. I'm staying back. There's 2 gray, 1 blue at mid. I'm trying to hold all
Yeah, I
of
just
them off.
accidentally got it in this. And that guy just stays alive. Good for him. Good for you, bro.
I'm just trying to collect a bit of them.
How does the trap only register now? And they have Oppie.
Who? Green?
Yeah.
Come back, I guess.
Can you do slash shot green Oppie?
Holy. Ink, void.
Yeah, ink. I'm voting.
I killed him. No.
At least they're going for green too. We need to play diamonds and M's.
I got 2 M's back.
Okay, that's good. Just let them sit in the chest for a little bit.
So there's 5 200 stars and 1 300 star on gray. I'm getting M's.
No one's really that good. Yeah.
I'm gonna get this gray over here.
I'm going
coming
back. Green has a fireball. It's gone. He doesn't have armor. Yeah, this is the bad guy. Okay. Hurry. Yes, it's gone.
He doesn't. I got 2 M's back.
Good stuff.
I'm gonna go diamonds.
I just got them.
Oh.
I'm gonna invest on them. I'm gonna steal Grace diamonds. Actually, I'm gonna kill this green and steal them. Okay, he's just running back in circles. Watch him.
I got a trap.
Yeah, I'm getting Grace diamonds. Got 4. Just push the greens.
They have Obby? I think we should
No,
get
I mean like
gray.
they have M's. No, because they're not going for us.
They kind of are.
They're going more for green.
Okay, I'm killing gray.
Wait, I only got 3. The dungeon is broken, but I'm just gonna go over here and I can get Pro 2. Did you get haste?
No.
No.
I have gray here. Should I break it?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just gonna wait until they die or something.
Where the fuck is green? Okay, both over there. full sending gray.
No need.
Stealing diamonds is really good. I just want to kill them. Oh wait, that was you? I thought you died. That was
What?
really stupid of me, but it worked out. I'm gonna try stealing green diamonds.
Okay, I'm going for blue then. I don't want any.
No, don't.
Why?
They're not going first.
Why?
I'd rather have green not be able to fully focus on us when we can't push their bed.
Green's bad, and I don't want a situation where blue's rushing us while we are focusing on green. I think that's even worse.
That's not gonna happen. Go a little towards space with the M's, because I'm just stealing a bunch of diamonds across the map.
You just killed the green.
No, green's gonna skip you if you run over there.
There's no green.
He's right over there. He's right over there,
Right
and they
over
could
there.
invest. They have M's.
Oh, there.
Go back to the base.
I'm getting obby then. I'm too lazy.
Okay, yeah, because blue's only going for green. We can get Pro 3. I have 7 diamonds. I love how gray was just auto-clicking his stick off. No M's now? Okay, well that's fine.
No, two.
Oh, okay. Green's pushing. I'm just getting diamonds, pretending like nothing. Did you already place it?
Yeah. Why? I added
Good
tier 2.
stuff. I'm gonna get it.
Green's
Pro 3 in
getting
haste.
gray's diamond.
Yeah, just...
He
I
threw
mean,
it.
there's nothing there, but we need to keep just stealing all diamonds across the map. 'Cause right there, I got all diamond gems on the map.
He pearled.
It was so
he
good, I got
pearled.
11.
Like, he pearled there? That's literally one fireball jump. I think
Yeah,
we
okay,
can,
like,
I think it's safe to say green is not good at the game.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to yellow. Don't go with me. Blue, watch with blue.
Blue's rushing us.
We do have a... Yeah.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have gone with me, like... Average 0 push better players.
I killed both. I'm getting blue. How dare they go
Oh,
for
that
us.
was party.
Tell me if any green skipped you.
I'm not looking right now.
There's only one blue.
I'm full sending green. Like, hello, dude?
Holy.
Speed just doesn't work.
How did you know?
What?
Literally just happened for me.
I'm gonna go to yellow and invest on them. My body count is 4, and what is yours, fine gentlemen?
Where's green?
Good fireball, bro. They're both at base. One might be skipping me. Never mind, it's not.
I'm at mid. I'm going yellow.
No, I'm already here. I'm investing on them.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
I
get a
don't
diamond
see.
pick.
I don't see one green. I don't
I
see
see
one
both.
green.
I see both. One's at base. One's on the bridge.
Are you coming with me?
He's like one tap. Nice. GG's. Oh, not bad. I really like this map too.
Yeah. It's fast wins. I'm just gonna 32 rush.
I always 32 rush.
What?
I always 32 rush.
Even even on 64 pass.
What do you mean?
No, I was just kidding.
No.
Anyone good?
Fried bacon. 500 level 500 3 FKDR. Yeah, on white.
Wait, that's our first
Yeah,
rush.
I know.
I fell. I could have easily gotten the red, but I just fell.
I'm going.
I'm getting 2-2.
I killed
Just go up. I have ladders.
bacon. I'm really
Or
bad.
okay, yeah, just get diamonds. Just get diamonds. Go no, go. Just go back with them.
Accidentally dropped it.
It's just so bad. How is he not dead?
I got water. Okay,
Somehow
I got
killed
water.
both.
Oh, get out.
I have no blocks.
Yeah, it's get out.
I'm gonna just hit. Okay, I'm just the goat. I got him.
Wait, you got both?
I did? Oh, I thought you got the other one. He DC'd.
I was really confused.
Yeah, me too.
That's
That-
level
my hit
400
didn't
just
register.
deleted.
Yeah, I mean,
I mean, level 500.
now we just
isn't
keep
that good.
rushing.
I'm gonna rush this way. You can go mid if you want.
No, I'm just coming with you. So we can play diamonds. Having 2 damage gens so close is so OP. Yeah, I'm not gonna steal that.
Ouch. You just took no KB for a second.
So no damage. Oh my god! That extension was insane, bro.
Wait. They
Get their bed.
they didn't have a bed. I just went for their bed for a second.
No, okay, I got one. I'm gonna go mid.
No. I couldn't get him. Now I have to go all the way. Please die by yourself. No, I have to take the task of going through all the bases. I mean, it's not really that far, but I'm getting sharp.
Okay. I'm getting yellow. I skipped one a minute. I doubt he's gonna go.
I see the blue at mid. Did you kill him? I think so.
Thank you so much for waiting, man. Who's even left? Blue. Okay, I'll get the blue guy. I know where he is.
I have gray over here.
Please say there's a bridge over there. Of course there's not a bridge over there. Blue, where are you going? You're obviously not gonna clutch this. He's just running at mid. Might be ink.
Well, check this out.
He's gonna fireball jump to our bed.
Did you see that?
I didn't even get a hit. Wait, no, I did. Awesome.
Did you see that? I threw 3 fireballs and literally
deleted the bridge.
the bridge.
On a 15 win stream.
I don't know how much
It's pretty nice. You must be on a 6-win streak.
I don't know.
Should be.
Oh yeah, TPS is really good. I should put this on. This can tell you if the server is dying or not.
Okay, nice. Okay. I really want to check because I saw there was the Optifine cape updates now. There's like new Optifine cape designs.
Really?
Yeah, like custom designs. So just rush.
Checking. No one good.
I got to get in stone. So I like that now. And I actually got another block wall, but I still have enough.
No. They placed dents
Do
down.
you have do you have 2 monitors? I don't have
No,
my big
I
eyes.
don't. I do not. I'm getting a pickaxe.
Nice ladders, bro.
What the heck?
How does he kill me there?
After bed.
Yeah, after this game, I'm gonna look for new Optifine cape, see if I can get like a sick cape. I swear I read some shit about it.
Bro, what? I was just doing absolutely nothing with my blocks, and it did absolutely nothing. Does that make sense?
Very surprising. Yeah, you can just get the other guy.
He's running.
I wonder if it's this.
Okay, I'm gonna go for green.
Okay, I'm just trying to figure this whole thing out. So annoying. But I'll do this after this game.
How long do you think it's gonna take? How long do you think it's gonna take? Split the gen? Too late.
My bad. Nothing in
Green's
there.
going super high up. I wanted to fire. Nice, you can get the bed in the final. What the hell, I just died. I'm just going mid. I banged my head on the snake thing.
Not good.
There's a stone sword in team chest. I accidentally got one wrong.
Yeah, that's pretty
Going
awesome.
for gray, which is like our front.
This guy just got the fucking diamonds and locked me back twice. Yes, he didn't use them. I'll go for that.
I'm going for gray. I have no idea where they are.
I'm on
I
aqua.
see they where they are. What the hell? What?
I mean, no one moves on Hypixel nowadays. It's so annoying. I wonder if I could win this. I could. Oh, he died.
You can just get him.
Another little final for me.
What are you gonna check after?
The new Optifine Cape update.
What does it do?
New patterns and stuff. Okay. This will take like 10 minutes or so. I'm not actually sure.
I don't think it's a thing. I
Yeah,
don't
I
see
don't
anything.
know.
Just Q. Q, Q, Q.
No, I'm looking
Okay.
for this. Email it. Guys, I want to log in real quick and see if I can get to fucking change this because I'm pretty tired of my Optifine Cape as well.
I don't have a cape. Bro.
Okay, I guess I'll just get this. But yeah, I don't think there was an update, but... Okay, I'll reach you in a second.
Okay.
Wait. But, however, I do want to switch pack. Okay, yeah, as I remember, it takes a fucking while for the Optifine Cape to reload.
Did you get the new Optifine cape?
No, there was nothing new. Very annoying.
What made you like confused?
What?
What made you think that there was a new Optifine cape?
Just, I read something about new banners and custom Optifine signs being added. Okay, I'm gonna queue. Are you ready? I queued.
뭐라고요?
What?
그러니까 다 했다니까요. 그 내일 수학 숙제하고 이제
알아서 하겠지. 알아서 하겠지.
Wait, why am I still here?
level 400 R Hill and XYZ.
What team? Oh, wait. Our first is actually good. Wait, never mind. I have their bed.
No. What made you think so?
Okay, I could not place any blocks whatsoever.
What?
Don't lose to that guy? What?
He
What
was
are you
like
doing?
half auto blocking or something.
I'm bringing a diamond, so just pray.
I'm gonna be with you.
Okay, I'm dead with the diamonds. This guy's so retarded.
Holy, this guy is just.
Just keep chasing him. I'm behind.
Be honest. Oops. Are you good? Nice. I just
Yeah, I'm going to his
try to
place.
bypass on the bridge. Okay, the level
Oh,
4
mid.
guard party is going mid.
Yeah, you need to come in and get dims.
I'm going mid. Think on us.
For sure.
He's at 1 HP.
Nope, he is not.
I'm
The other
walking
guy has
out.
armor. What do you mean?
I'm coming to help you instantly. How he? He's playing very fun bedwars. Go and push him.
What blocks?
He's at half HP.
Fireball.
Fireball.
Are you having fun, Rick? Because I think you're alone with this one. Holding S and spamming your mouse.
Okay,
He has M's and diamonds on him. And I just cannot kill him in time. Yeah, he just fireball jumped out. It's actually good, so you're gonna have to, like, do stuff.
I'm getting M's.
If you can steal someone's diamonds, that's
I'm
really
getting
good.
4 M's.
Very nice.
5 actually. 6 actually.
Did he just vote for me? Yeah, he did. Okay, but don't overcommit, because you're just gonna get skipped.
Okay. I'm coming back.
A common flaw I found in your gameplay is you just overcommit to something. Yeah, you really thought I was gonna.
I'm getting.
Thanks for the diamonds.
You had the trap.
And now green's pushing them too, that's really good. I'm stealing the diamonds and stuff.
What's their defense? The endstone?
Yeah, I'm assuming there's endstone under that wall.
I'm gonna pot on them.
That guy just fell.
Oh.
They have sharpness now. You just have not been playing diamonds. I still won. Let me know when you rush, because then I'll just full push.
I'm getting armor and then rushing. I'm going aqua side so I can get stuff. What?
I've been stalling for so long.
Yeah, just stall for like 1 second more. The guy with magic milk too.
Holy shit, I'm raping them, bro. I've just won so many times. I'm taking the trap and taking the diamonds.
Are they spawning?
Yeah. I'm just continuously stealing the diamonds.
I'm busy.
Okay. I'm getting a gap. Okay, I'm just gonna full push now, okay?
Okay.
And then so I can just all for you. Imagine if I could just get the bed. If you don't have that, I'm gonna shoot you.
I have no idea. Oops.
Okay, I should be able to get sharp. Oh my god, dude, you have no idea how long I just absolutely raped them.
Yeah, I was basically running around mid, and you were fine.
And I was, yeah, dude, I was just literally, I just kept 2v1ing. And
Yeah,
I
I tried to
stole 2 of their
self-push.
diamonds
Okay.
and...
They're at mid. Going back. They're going back. Probably gonna go to blue. Oh wait.
We need more diamonds. If you could steal some diamonds, that would be great.
Where? I'll go for
The
pink
other
and
diamond
blaze
gens?
diamond.
Yeah, just don't get
Watch out for
skipped
them
by
embedding.
Yeah, Green, I'm just gonna let you live, I don't care. You have been the best.
Green's chasing you. I'm gonna get Obby.
Got one red.
Really?
The other's going mid. And Green's just boosting him, super annoying. I'm not even hitting Green, I don't even care. Where are you?
Me? Base?
Yeah?
Get an Obby?
Yeah.
Is that fine? Yes, it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get green. Just get pink. But please also start getting diamonds.
Yeah, I got diamonds, but there's not enough
Wait, do we have
for
that too?
anything.
Oh.
I've been playing M's the entire time. Oh, I can get property. I got how many M's? 4 plus 8 plus 3 M's.
Goat.
Okay, you go for who?
Fireball green. I'm on green.
Green. Okay, I'm gonna go for pink then.
Yes, come to me. I actually went beast mode this game, I can't lie.
Yeah.
Like, they weren't that good, but they were
One
surprisingly
pink
good.
at mid. You see him, yeah.
It's it. Oh, I killed him 1 second too late. Unlucky. You can get the finals. I'm assuming you don't have many.
I have 2 finals now.
Yeah. Hacker.
Yeah, so
I'm so hungry. I'll probably get a little bite to eat after this game.
alright.
And I'll be on an 18-win streak. Okay, I'm gonna 32 rush.
Okay.
No, white. Wait, they're a first rush. Okay, I'm gonna get a lot of blocks.
Okay. They're coming, they're coming. I'm placing the defense.
They're making the bad bridge.
They queued us intentionally. He like stayed in
Yeah, I won.
What's their defense?
I won. Just 1 and stone. Can you get water?
Yeah, I got water already.
Okay, Okay, that guy does not move. Yes, you can water. You can water. Just get out. Go up and water. I don't know how good that water platform is, but you gotta hurry.
What the hell?
Did you water them?
No, the water platform was at build limit.
Oh, that's my bad. Don't die. They're not that good at PvP.
I just got died.
Okay, you didn't even kill one.
I did kill one, kind of.
Walk out. These guys are so shit. If we're gonna lose, I'm gonna kill myself.
This guy
I'm
probably
going
was-
up. He's at their building. Drop.
I killed him, but I died. I got knocked off. Bed. Nice, just instantly go.
I'm just pushing with no blocks.
Okay.
I have 12 blocks. Yeah, you need to log in for this rush. It's like placing one blocks in their face. You should just hit them away, even though they don't move.
I have a tier 2 pick.
I hit that guy
push,
off.
Push. He's not coming for you. You have to bed.
Out the bed.
He's low.
Oh my! I didn't mean to steal it. I just tried to help.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
doesn't really matter.
I'm sorry. I Loki just stole that.
I was gonna die.
Uh,
Kind of. Maybe.
I mean, there's a high chance. Okay, I'm just gonna go with you. This yellow's out of the game. Let's just steal diamonds, I guess.
What do you mean? Pink is literally
gonna-
not here. Come here, quick.
You can just get them.
I died.
Okay.
Aqua running around mid. Oh, it's you. My bad.
I'm just stealing diamonds.
Getting shot.
Okay, I think I can just get green's bed, even though I have 6 diamonds and 4 M's on me. I chested it, we're fine. I don't even have armor yet.
I just got armor, so there's nothing.
Where's the last guy? He's in from side, I think. No, he's going to mid.
You haven't?
Hey there. Nope, he does not move.
Where is he? Oh, I see him. Oops, that's the wrong vegetable. Oh my god, I just walked off.
Good
He's
stuff, bro.
going blue. He's at blue. You have him probably.
Oh my god, bro, just stop.
I'm gonna fireball him in the face. Nice. If we just stay in the queue, we're gonna queue them again. The Aquil guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bite to eat real quick. I'll be back in 10 minutes or so. I just need something. I'm really hungry. 2 seconds. Or, yeah, 10 minutes. Okay?
V.